What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today, we're going to walk through a Crest Platinum DLX 220. This boat has some great features on it, so let's climb inside and check them out. So once we climb inside the bow here, you'll see first thing when you walk in, we do have the ski locker storage underneath. Great spot for any skis, maybe fishing poles, anything just to get out of the way. On the front couches, we do have storage underneath all of them. Under this seat, we do have a pull-out cooler as well, which the cooler itself does come out of the boat, so you can take it up to the house, get it loaded up, and bring it back down and set it right in there for you. So we move back here on this port side, we do have the 3-drawer storage there. Great spot for towels, sunscreen, even your keys, anything like that. We do have the dual captain's chair setup here. A nice feature on this is you do have a race helm. It gives you a little bit more clearance when you're as the driver's looking forward. We do have the Lowrance Hook 5 for your plotter on the dash there as well. As we move back, we do have, again, kind of a mirrored image of what the couches are on the back or on the front of the boat. Storage underneath all of these as well. Kind of see we do have a nice quilted pattern on these. That is an upgrade for the Platinum line. And off the back there, you'll see that we do have a 200 Mercury on the back, so it's going to give you guys plenty of power whether you're pulling a tuber or just getting from point A to point B on the lake. We do have some other Crests available right now, and we do have some great prices on them right now as we're trying to liquidate the 2023 model. If you guys have any questions, hop on to MarineMax.com. You can check out all of the other Crests that we have in stock. If you guys have any questions past that, you can contact me, Jake Jones, at 682-282-9969. Thank you.